Hi, Arabinda Mohapatra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll going to discuss one of the interview questions that has been asked by Twitter. I have been taken this question from the scratch, and already we have solved this kind of problem in the sequel. But today we are going to solve this question by the help of the pandas. So the ask is highest salary in department. So basically, this question being asked by Twitter, and the level of the question will is it's medium. And coming to the question, find the employee with highest salary per department. Output should be highest salary per department. So to get the highest salary of each department, what we will do, we will create a data frame, and we will save the highest salary per department. So employee dot, we will do the group by of the department, group by department, and we're trying to find the highest salary of the department. So here we will use salary, then we will find out the max salary here, and I will reset the index. So let's run it. So now this now here we can able to see we are finding out each department highest salary, and we are using the reset underscore index to convert the index to column. Basically, reset underscore index is the method where it will convert the index to the column when we are trying to do the group by department. So department will be act as a index. So here, then what we will do, we'll just rename it for the better rename convention. We will rename column. We want to rename the column, and here what we will do by the help of the dictionary in a key value pair. So the old column name is salary, and what we are trying to rename, highest salary. So let's run it. So now we can able to see the salary column has been changed to the highest salary. Now we will store this one in a data frame that is called the highest salary, and we will run it. So now what we will do is, now we will merge this data frame along with the original data frame. The original data frame is the employee data frame where all the details are there. So here we will merge the this highest salary data frame on the basis of the department. So it's simply like a join in the SQL, and the way we are doing the join in the SQL, it will act as the same thing, and in the merge in the pandas it can be done with the help of the merge functionality. So pd.merge, pd is basically the allies of the pandas. So pd.merge, merge, and we will give the left table, and that is employee. Data frame 1 is employee, and what will be the right side of the data frame, that is highest salary. And next is, on which column do you want to join both the data frame, that is department. And next will be on which kind of join you want to perform here, like left outer join or right outer join or inner join. So here we are trying to do the left join basically. So why we are trying to do with the help of the left join instead of inner join, because we are trying to merge the all the things from the, we are trying to add a new column inside the employee table, employee data frame. And let's run it. So when we will run it here, and if we'll drag to the last row of the row of this column, so here we can able to see the highest salary is a column that has been added in the existing employee data frame. So now what we are we're trying to achieve is, we're trying to achieve the highest salary of each department along with the first name, all the other employee details basically. So here what we will do is, here now we will compare this highest salary column along with the salary column. Wherever the salary will be match, at that point of a time it will create a basically true false boolean list. So wherever wherever this comparison will be true, at that point of a time the output will be the true. So we will give this we will give this true false filter to the data frame. So it will act as a filter to the data frame. So wherever the true it will be there, that particular respective rows will be get reflected in the output of the data frame. So let's do it. So here we will store all these things in a data frame that is called df. So df dot salary, df of salary is equal to df of highest salary, df of highest salary. So now we are trying to compare the salary column along with the highest salary column in the same data frame. So wherever it will be condition, wherever the condition will true at that particular row, it will be mentioned as a true. So it will basically create a boolean list. So let's run it to get the true false. Oh, sorry, the parenthesis, open parenthesis is missing. So here it will create a list on the true false boolean list. So now if we will pass this one as a filter to the data frame, so wherever the condition will true, at only these particular rows will get reflected in the output of this data frame. So here we don't need all the columns, whatever the columns are mentioned here. We need only the expected columns. In the expected output, the department column is there. So we'll just filter out, we'll just use the properties of the data frame to select the required number of column that to be taken as a expected output. Department, first name, department first name, then the salary. So let's run it now to get the expected output. So here the expected output is management Richard, highest salary is 25 4 times 0, so 25 to 2,50,000. So this is the expected output. If you have any better approach to solve this problem, please do comment in the video section of this of this video section. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.